The Antonio Project presents HSEFT, hypnosis as a substitute for anesthesia.
Hello everybody, see you back in my channel. At this time, I would like to share to you about hypnosis as a substitute for anesthesia. As you know that accident can happen at any time and any place, but the most important thing is how to give first aid before the victim being hospitalized. In this video, I share my experience when an accident happened. An officer had an accident while working on deck. His middle finger and ring finger were injured, so that the nail of his finger were pulled out. The victim groans and feels excruciating pain and is in a conscious state. Blood keeps flowing from the wound. And then, the concern from the victim, I perform hypnosis to relieve the pain he feels so that the wound cleaning process can run smoothly and the victim does not feel severe pain. I do hypnosis as a substitute of anesthesia that relieve pain. Please take note that this video is for reference and learning materials only on the use of hypnosis in accident as a substitute for anesthesia. And then, how is the hypnotic process? Let's look up of the following video.
Relax terus, rasakan bahwa tangan Anda semakin nyaman, semakin rileks. Anda bisa tidur semakin pulas, semakin rileks. Anda tidak merasakan rasa sakit pada tangan Anda. Anda bisa rileks. Luruskan kaki Anda, luruskan seperti ini. Tangan Anda pada posisi seperti ini. Relax. Anda tidak merasakan rasa sakit pada tangan kiri Anda, tangan kanan Anda tidak merasakan rasa sakit. Anda semakin nyaman, semakin relax. Anda bisa tidur dengan pulas. Apabila Anda tidak merasakan rasa sakit pada tangan kanan Anda, ambil kepala Anda. Anda bisa relax, Anda bisa tidur. Anda bisa tidur semakin dalam, semakin relax. Anda masuk alam bawah sadar Anda, semakin dalam. Tahan tangan kanan Anda seperti ini, tahan kanan Anda seperti ini. Saya akan bersihkan tangan kanan Anda.
In the subconscious or brain state, I give hypnotic suggestion to the victim so as not to feel pain in his injured finger. Then I was able to clean the dirt on the wound of his finger easily and give medication to prevent infection.
Intip ya.
Ini aja, jangan
gitu.
ini apa. Sakit. Tetap relax. Saya akan bersihkan tangan kanan Anda. Saya akan bersihkan dari darah. Anda tidak merasa sakit. Belum tenang kata-kata saya dengan kata-kata saya.
Warm water with small amount of soap being used for cleaning the wounded finger area from dirt. Then apply a thin layer of an antibiotic ointment before covering with sterile dressing. I gave a hypnotic suggestion to the victim's subconscious mind that the victim's hand was deeply pointing upward, higher than the head, to stop the bleeding. His hands could not move, thus reducing the potential severity of the wound. The victim can rest comfortably and able to reduce his trauma before being hospitalized. I think that's all my video. Thank you for watching. If you think that my video is useful, don't forget to click like and subscribe button. Your subscription is fueling to my channel development. The Antonio Project.